Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn third standard science subject, third number chapter, housing and clothing. Okay. Now listen, here are the types of houses, clothing, good and clean house, and types of clothes we learn in from this chapter. Okay. Now listen. Which is our basic needs? First tell me which is our basic needs. Yes, correct. Food, shelter and clothes are our basic needs of every. Now listen here. Food, clothes and shelter are the basic need of every individual. Okay, we all need a house. Why we need the house? Why we need the house? We need the house to live in. We need the house to live in. A house protect us from heat, cold, rain, animal and enemies. So we need the house. Do you understand why we need the house? We need the house to live in. A house protect us from heat, okay? Heat, cold, rain, animals and enemies. Do you understand why we need the house? Okay, we need the house to live in. The house protect us heat, cold, rain, animal and enemies. Okay, we all feel safe and protected in our house, no? Okay, we all feel safe and protected in our houses. A good house provides us comfort. Now listen here. A good house provides us comforts. पहा इथे घराची का गरज असते? कारण थंडी, वारा, पाऊस, ओके, उष्णता जी आहे किंवा उग्र असे प्राणी आहेत किंवा शत्रू आहेत त्यांच्यापासून सुरक्षित राहण्यासाठी आपल्याला कशाची गरज असते? हाऊसची गरज असते. ओके. आणि हाऊस मध्ये आपण कसं असतो रे? सेफ असतो. Do you understand why we need to house? A house. We need a house to live in. A house protect us from heat, cold, rain, animal and enemies. Okay, house protect us from heat, cold, rain, animals and enemies. We feel safe and protected in our houses. A good house provides us comfort. Okay, do you understand? A good house provides us comfort. Now listen, first point, see here the types of houses. Okay, types of houses. First you see here types of do you understand now which is our basic needs? Okay, which is our basic needs? Clothes, shelter, okay, then food, shelter and clothes are our basic needs. Okay, why we need to house? We need to house to live in. Okay, a house protect us heat, cold, rain, animal and enemies. We all safe and protected in our houses, so we need to the house, no? Now listen, we see here the first point, types of houses. Okay, now listen, there are several types of houses. There are several types of houses. Houses can be kacha, pakka. Pakka means permanent or temporary. Okay, a house can be kacha, pakka. Pakka means permanent or temporary. Now listen, first we will see here kacha house. Kacha house. K-U-T-C-H-A. Kacha house. Do you understand now why we need to house? Yes, no? Now listen, see here types of houses. Okay, there are the several types of houses. Then kacha house, then pakka. Pakka means permanent or temporary house. Now first we will see here, we will learn here kacha house. Okay, see here kacha house. See here the kacha house. Kacha house means what? A hut is an example of kacha house. Now listen, hut is an example of kacha house. These are mainly seen in village. These are mainly seen in village. A kacha house is built with mud, stick, straw, etc. They can easily get destroyed by strong winds or heavy rainfall. Okay, do you understand? Then kacha house best example here given us which hut. Okay, we see the huts in villages and there are mainly we see in this hut in villages. A kacha house is built by, okay, we things need mud. Okay, we think need mud, sticks, straw. Okay, these things kacha house made by. Okay, so they can easily get destroyed by strong winds or heavy rainfall. Okay, so they can easily get destroyed by strong winds or heavy rainfall. Do you understand? No, kacha house. Kacha house is here is best example is kacha house which hut. Okay, these are mainly seen in village and kacha house is built with mud, okay, sticks and straw. They can easily get destroyed by strong winds or heavy rainfall. ते लगेच मोडलं जातं कशाने रे? पावसामुळे आणि जोरदार वाऱ्यामुळे आणि पावसामुळे काय होते, ही हट मोडू शकते. ओके, you understand no? Kacha house. What is mean by kacha house? Now listen, see the next house, pakka or permanent house. First we will see here kacha house. K-U-T-C-H-A, kacha house. Okay, next which? Pakka or permanent house. Permanent house. Okay, what is means by pakka house or permanent house? Now listen, here is for example given us bungalows, apartments, cottages are the example of pakka houses. Now which examples? Bungalows. Bungalows, apartment, apartments and cottages. Now listen, here is the best example of bungalows, apartment or cottages are the example of pakka houses. They are built with cement, stone, rods and bricks. They are built by with cement, stones, rods and bricks. B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks, etc. Now listen, here is the pakka house. Okay, bungalows. Then apartment and cottages are the best example of pakka houses. Okay, they are built with cement, stones, rods and bricks, etc. They are strong houses that cannot get easily destroyed by harsh weather. Okay, they are strong houses. Okay, they are made by cement, stones, rods and bricks. So they are strong houses and that cannot get easily destroyed. That cannot get easily destroyed by harsh weather. Okay, तर काय हे सिमेंटनी, स्टोननी, रॉडनी आणि ब्रिक्सनी काय बनवलेले असे कसे असतात तर पक्के हाऊसेस असतात, घरे असतात. ते वातावरणाच्या कोणत्याही म्हणजे जोरदार वाऱ्यामुळे किंवा पावसामुळे पडू शकत, सहजासहजी पडू शकत नाही. डू यू अंडरस्टँड नो? पक्का हाऊस. Okay, pakka house or permanent house means what? Bungalows, apartment and cottages are the best example of, okay, pakka house or permanent house. Okay, they are built in with things cement, stone, rods and bricks. Okay, so they are the strong houses and they are the strong houses that cannot get easily destroyed by harsh weather. They are strong houses that cannot get easily destroyed by harsh weather. So these houses are the which houses? Pakka houses or permanent houses, bungalows, apartment or cottages. Do you understand now? Pakka houses means what? Now listen, third number C. Third number which house? Temporary houses. Temporary houses. Temporary. Temporary house. Okay, what is means by temporary house? Caravan, tents, etc. are the example of temporary houses. People who keep moving from one place to another live in them. Now listen. Caravan, okay, tents, you see not tents, okay, are the example of temporary houses. People who keep moving from one place to another live in them. एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी आपण ताबडतोब जाणार असेल तर निवारासाठी जी टेंट किंवा कारवान बनवले जातं, ओके, निवारा बनवला जातो त्याला काय म्हणायचं? टेम्पररी हाऊसेस. डू यू अंडरस्टँड नो? टेम्पररी हाऊसेस मीन्स व्हॉट? Temporary houses, then for example is caravan and tent. Okay, caravan and tents are the best example of temporary houses. The people who keep moving from one place to another live in them. That time they are making caravan and tents. Do you understand now? Temporary houses means what? Caravan, tents are example of temporary houses and people who keep moving from one place to another live in them. That time these types of houses are making. Okay, these types of houses are making. Do you understand now? Temporary houses. एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी ताबडतोब जर आपण जाणार असेल तर त्यावेळेस तात्पुरत्या निवारासाठी जे घर बांधली जातात त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? टेम्पररी हाऊसेस. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हियर इज कारवान और टेंट्स. डू यू अंडरस्टँड नो? देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ हाऊसेस. फर्स्ट वी विल से टेल मी why we need to house. We need to house to protect us from heat, cold and rain, animal and enemies. Okay, we all feel safe and protected in our houses. Okay, so we need to house. No, now listen here. Here are the 3 types of houses. Means in this book there are several types of houses, but we see here 3 types. Kacha house. Kacha house means what? Hut is the best example of kacha house. Okay, the hut is made by kacha house is built by mud, stick and straw. Okay, they can easily get destroyed by strong winds or heavy rainfall. Okay, and for best example of kacha house is which? Hut. We see no hut in villages. Yes. Okay, do you understand? Then kacha house is made by mud. Okay, then sticks and straw, and they can easily get destroyed by strong winds or heavy rainfall. Okay, then second, see here the pakka house or permanent house. Okay, bungalows, then apartment, cottages are the example of pakka houses. They are built by with cement, stone, rods and bricks, etc. They are strong houses that cannot get easily destroyed by harsh weather. Do you understand now? Then pakka houses or permanent houses means which? Okay, then see then third, temporary house. Okay, temporary house, caravan, tents, etc. are the example of temporary houses. People who keep moving from one place to another live in them. Okay, you understand now? Then kacha house, pakka or permanent house or temporary house. Do you understand now? Why need to house, which is our basic needs? Food, shelter and clothes are our basic needs. And why we need to house? We need to house to live in. Okay, then house protect us from heat, cold, rain and animal and enemies. Okay, we all feel safe and protected in our houses, so we need to house, no? Okay, now listen, here is see 10 types of houses. There are the several types of houses. We see here kacha house, then second see pakka or permanent house, and third see temporary house. Okay, you understand that, no? Then kacha house means what, pakka house means what, and temporary house means what? Kacha house best example is hut. We see in village, no? And this house is made by with things mud, straw, okay, and sticks, and they can easily destroyed by strong winds and heavy rainfall. Do you understand now kacha house? Now second see then pakka or permanent house. Then bungalows, apartment, cottages are the example of pakka house. Okay, they are built up with cement, stones, rods, bricks, etc. And they are strong houses that cannot get easily destroyed by harsh weather. Now third we see here temporary house. Okay, caravan, tents, etc. are the example of temporary houses. People who keep moving from one place to another live in them. You understand now? Then kacha house, pakka house or a temporary house. Okay, now listen, see here the second point, good and clean house. Okay, second point is which? Good and clean house. We see in next video. Okay, we learn in next we will learn in next video. Thank you.